In here I have a tablespoon of Chile arbol powder. That is pretty spicy, guys, so if you want not so spicy, you could use ancho instead. I have a tablespoon of paprika, I have a teaspoon of cumin, and I have a quarter teaspoon of cinnamon. I'm going to add a pinch of allspice and about a teaspoon of oregano. Alright, we're going to cook this for about 5 minutes, stirring constantly. And be careful your heat's not too high, you don't want to burn them, okay? Alright, these are nicely cooked. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. I want you to be really careful, this can splatter. I'm also going to add 1.5 teaspoons of sugar. We're going to let this cool down for a few minutes and then we will continue. I'm going to add a garlic clove which I minced and half a pound of ground pork. And I'm going to return the potato. I'm going to add salt to this. I'm going to go ahead and cover it and let it finish cooking. Alright, this has been cooking for 15 minutes. I'm gonna see if the potato is cooked through. And it is. I'm gonna mash a little bit of the potato in here. Not all of it, but let's say half of it. Alright, I am just gonna leave this at low heat so it stays warm while we heat our tortillas. We're going to pile them up 2 at a time. That way they'll steam a little bit and they'll be nice and soft. Those are some very good looking tacos, aren't they? Oh my gosh, this is so good. There's so many flavors in there. Oh, you got that spice from the spices that we put in the pork. You can taste a little bit of the cinnamon, and oh, that potato is nice and soft in there. And you got the tomatillo, a little acid of the tomatillo there with the avocado, the cilantro, the onion. Very recommended. Thanks guys for watching this video. I hope you make this and I hope you love it. If you would sub, I'd really appreciate it. Turn on the notification button so you don't miss out on anything. Thank you for that.